Hello and welcome to English Passport. Today, I will share with you the secret of my learning method. If you want to learn English easily and quickly, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Anna, and today I will share the secret of all my learning with you. I want to tell you about my method. You can read my learning secret and method. The key to learning effectively. Learning a new language doesn't have to be difficult. The key is using simple but powerful techniques that make English fun and easy to remember. 1. Read and listen at the same time. When you read an English text, try to listen to someone reading it aloud. This helps you connect written words with their pronunciation. Your brain starts associating sounds with meaning, making it easier to understand and remember words. Questions and answers. Why should I listen while reading? It helps connect words with pronunciation. Can I use audiobooks for this method? Yes, audiobooks are a great option. What kind of text should I read? Start with simple stories or news articles. Should I read aloud too? Yes, it improves pronunciation. How long should I practice daily? At least 10 to 15 minutes per day. Can I use subtitles when watching videos? Yes, it helps with word recognition. What if I don't understand some words? Look them up and write them down. Should I repeat the same text multiple times? Yes, repetition helps retention. How can I check my pronunciation? Use a speech-to-text app or language tutor. Is it better to read fiction or non-fiction? Fiction is often easier and more engaging. 2. Repeat and imitate. Listen to simple sentences and say them out loud. This is how children learn their native language. By imitating native speakers, you will improve your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. Questions and answers. Why is imitation important? It helps develop natural pronunciation. How many times should I repeat a sentence? At least 3 to 5 times. Can I use songs for imitation? Yes, songs help with rhythm and fluency. Should I record myself speaking? Yes, it helps track progress. What if I make mistakes? Mistakes are part of learning. Keep practicing. How can I find native speakers to imitate? Use YouTube, podcasts, or language apps. Is speaking in front of a mirror helpful? Yes, it builds confidence. What if I struggle with certain sounds? Focus on them and practice daily. How can I test my pronunciation? Use online pronunciation tools. Should I practice with different accents? Yes, it improves listening skills. 3. Learn with short stories. Stories are easier to remember than isolated words, so learning through storytelling makes English fun and engaging. Short, simple stories allow you to grasp new vocabulary and sentence structures naturally. Questions and answers. Why are stories helpful? They make learning fun and engaging. What kind of stories should I read? Simple, everyday stories with common words. Can I write my own short stories? Yes, it helps reinforce learning. Should I listen to audiobooks too? Yes, to improve listening skills. How often should I read short stories? Daily if possible. Are children's books good for beginners? Yes, they use simple language. What if I don't understand a word? Look it up and write it down. Can I watch stories in video format? Yes, visual learning helps too. How do stories help with grammar? They show sentence structures naturally. Should I read the same story multiple times? Yes, repetition reinforces learning. How to ask questions in a restaurant? When dining out, it's useful to know how to order food and ask questions. Here are some common phrases. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I would like a grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Can I have the bill, please? Questions and answers. How do I ask for the menu? Can I see the menu, please? How do I ask for a recommendation? What do you recommend? How do I order a specific dish? I would like dish, please. How do I ask about ingredients? What's in this dish? How do I ask for a vegetarian option? Do you have vegetarian dishes? How do I order water? Can I have a glass of water, please? How do I ask for the check? Can I have the bill, please? What if I need extra napkins? Can I get some extra napkins, please? How do I ask for a takeaway box? Can I have a to-go box, please? How do I say the food is delicious? This is delicious. How to order a taxi, if you need to get somewhere quickly. Here are some useful phrases for calling or hailing a taxi. I need a taxi to destination, please. How much will it cost to go to the airport? Could you take me to this address? Can you drop me off here, please? Questions and answers. How do I ask for a taxi? I need a taxi, please. How do I specify my destination? Can you take me to place? How do I ask about the price? How much will it cost to go to place? How do I request a faster route? Can we take the fastest route? How do I ask to pay by card? Do you accept credit cards? How do I ask to stop early? Can you drop me off here? How do I confirm the taxi is available? Are you available now? How do I check the estimated time? How long will it take? How do I ask if the driver speaks English? Do you speak English? How do I thank the driver? Thank you. Have a great day. Final words of encouragement. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Take your time, enjoy the process, and celebrate small victories. Every new word and phrase you learn brings you closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, leave a comment with your favorite sentence and don't forget to subscribe to English Passport for more lessons. See you soon for another lesson. Bye-bye.